Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wild and Wacky Gaming, and we're starting up our next Let's Play, Cartoon Network, Punch Time Explosion XL. And I'm joined here with Phineas, Snoopy, Twilight, Bugs Bunny, Daffy Duck, and Scooby-Doo. We're going to be here throughout the whole Let's Play. Okay, let's get started. Alright. Alright, Duck, let's get to it. Oh boy. I can't wait. Now, while we ourselves are not big fans of Cartoon Network, we do respect it and understand the massive appeal behind a lot of their shows. I know the creator mentioned this before in that Guessing with Ren and Stimpy video he did, but we just want to make that clear. If we didn't like Cartoon Network at all, we wouldn't be playing this. But we're playing this for you guys. And the reason Daffy, Scooby, and I are here is because, you know, Cartoon Network is owned by Warner Brothers, which is our parent company. Papaya Studios. All I can think about now is that one gag from Back in the Barnyard. If you know, you know. Okay, let's get started. Alright, we're gonna do a new profile. Oh, alright, hold on a second. Wait, what the? Daffy, are you serious? Yes!
How do you want to play this?
Alright, we're going to story mode. New game.
Choose a character.
Alright. Now, as you can see, we don't have a lot of characters. All we have is Ben 10. I'll say this. It's absolutely crazy that Ed and Eddie is nowhere in this game. Or Courage. Or Camp Laszlo.
Ben Tennyson. Greetings, citizens, and welcome to... Hey, wait a minute. I've been hosting so much, I'm actually introing on my day off. I finally got some me time to put on my casual tights, snuggle up and watch my favorite shows. Let's see what's on Cartoon Network. Ah, Dexter's on. What's Dexter working on there?
Sorry, had to cough.
Oh, I think I remember this episode. Is this the one where Dexter builds a travel machine? Oh, no. Definitely don't remember this episode. Look out, Dexter! Hey, I was watching that. Who flipped the channel?
Okay, Kids Next Door is the one Cartoon Network show I can safely say we have seen every episode of.
Doesn't look good.
We know a little bit about Cartoon Network. We know a little bit about some of the shows that are featured on this. Like, we know a bit about Dexter. We know about Kids Next Door. We know about Billy and Mandy.
Bad when even the Grim Reaper stands on the brink of annihilation. Wait, that's still Gas. Ben 10's enemy. But what's he doing in Chowder's world? This is so messed up.
Okay, we have not seen a single episode of Ben 10 or Chowder.
Finally, a hero who can help.
But we do know about Ben 10's powers.
All right, Ben's in Chowder's world. This ought to be like taking candy from a baby, or food from a world whose whole economy is based on food.
Hey!
What the? Okay, it's a little too fast for us to read.
Man, these bad guys are not just going to let you move on. So if you want to make it to the...
Alright, I know absolutely little about Chowder. All I know is that the guy who made it also made Harvey Beaks. That's all I know. I am very sorry. What are these things? For once, I don't know. Okay, a friend of ours actually told us that the broccoli is not from Chowder, it's from the Powerpuff Girls. Alright then. Oh boy. Phew, that was a close one. Rolling watermelons? Oh no! So what are these little cube things we're collecting? Oh, they're for our super meter or something. It's a super move, or basically this game's version of a Final Smash. Kind of reminds me of how we were collecting slime when we played All-Star Brawl 2. So wait, characters don't talk?
This calls for some Mr. Smoothie.
Sorry, Snoopy, we don't have time for smoothies.
Ben Tennyson.
You know, it's strange that, like, they have, like, the current Ben 10, but then they also have the original Ben 10 from when he was a kid, when the show started. Like, we know he started off as a kid, but then got older as the series progressed.
What's wrong with him? Something's not
And
right.
he was originally voiced by Tara Strong, who also voices me. I mean, characters do talk, but they only talk throughout gameplay, and for some reason, the voices sound a little bit off. At least some of them do. That thing with Chowder, is that a fart cloud? I think it is. Now I'm thinking about the Ren and Stimpy episode Son of Stimpy, where you know Stimpy gives birth to a fart. Did he just eat us? He's not Kirby.
All right. This calls for some Mr. Smoothie.
Ben Tennyson, Chowder and Kimchi.
Okay, Gimchi, is that the other guy with him? Yes, yes it is. We are very sorry. We know nothing about Chowder.
Chowder's back to normal. Well, as normal as Chowder gets, anyways. And he's teaming up with Ben.
Hey.
Sorry we're not talking during the cutscenes. We just want to read what the characters have to say. So we can switch characters with the minus button. Come on. Whoa! That was a close one.
Oh, moving platforms. This episode is heating up. Time your jumps carefully. Your double jumps should really come in handy here.
Or we can use the up signature, that'll help out. Okay, this thing we're holding right now, I know that this is from Kids Next Door. It's some sort of teddy bear launching device.
Platforms will fall from right under your feet if you stand on them for too long.
Oh boy. You're despicable. Believe it or not, we don't actually lose Chowder if we die. We just press the minus button and he's back. Come on. Oh, super, that's what it's called. Okay.
It's hero time.
That was awesome! Heck yeah, it was!
That's a long...
Alright, so we just gotta avoid the fire. That was easy. I have a feeling it's gonna get trickier as we go along. Oops,
Wow,
skip that,
now
sorry.
that was some exciting television. Antenna, Chowder, and Kimchi.
Okay, we can really only start off with these two characters. Or the three characters. Uh-oh, it's Bill Gax.
Hello there.
Okay, everyone met each other now? Are we through? Can we fight now?
Huh. Oh.
Things aren't looking too good for Mung Daal. Defeat the Forever Knights before they knock out Mung.
Okay, so this is sort of I'm not exactly sure what you call this. Oh yeah, also you can also team up with characters from other shows. And certain character combinations have synergy attacks. One of the synergy moves is Bubbles and Eduardo from Foster's. And I just gotta say, that combination is perfect. Like I said, we don't know a lot about Cartoon Network, but we do know some things about Cartoon Network. Uh-oh, they're after Mung. Hey, it's number 4. We got enough for super. We've already seen Ben's. Let's see what Chowder's is. Oh, well, I can think about it was the time I was having peppers in Zombie Island. Okay, only one more to go. Oh. We got him.
Oh. Hi. Oh.
Hey, real nice job at not losing.
Okay, we saved Mung.
Tennyson, Chowder, and Kimchi.
So, I think if I remember correctly, we're off to Ben 10's world next. We played this game before.
Ultimatrix detects dimensional disturbance.
Aw, snap! Now, wait just a minute.
Uh-oh.
We're in Bellwood, which doesn't look pretty. Time to get to the bottom of this evil plot.
Is that?
Chowder, this is one Buttercup you don't want to mess with.
Yep, that's Buttercup.
Versus Ben 10. I'm gonna pop up some old poppy corn and kick back and enjoy this.
Hey!
Oh no! You're correct, Chowder. This is sort of like in All-Star Brawl 2, where we had to face off against mind-controlled versions of the characters. Ah, man. Yikes! Phew. She's tough. Yes, she is. Oh, for a second there I thought we lost the game.
What's cooking? Yeah. That's what cooking place.
Was that Jim Cummings? I have no idea. I mean the voice. I don't know who the character is, but I'm pretty sure the voice was Jim Cummings.
Hero time!
What you want?
Okay, I know that's Gwen from Ben 10. I know that much. A friend told me. Ugh. Whoa! Ew! Ah! It's General Scar! Oh my goodness, it's cheese.
Oh, man.
Does anyone remember the Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends float from the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade? And when Cheese said, "I like Rick rolling," does anyone else remember that?
Hi.
Oh, we can actually press A for that
This
one.
calls for some Mr. Smoothie.
Ben Tennyson. Chowder and kimchi. Buttercup.
Alright. Now Buttercup's part of the team.
Hey.
Hey!
Vilgax is one slippery customer. Which makes sense, given he has a squid face.
Alright, we're off to fight Vilgax. Well, not yet. First, we gotta make our way through this.
You gotta take out these loonies before they blow themselves up.
Loonies. Because you know, with the Looney Tunes. Actually, let's play as Buttercup for a bit. Good idea, Twilight. We have a wrench. This is a wrench! Bro, the platforms are falling. Oh, tartar sauce. Let's get out of here. Okay, press X to jump. For a second there, I thought we were gonna fall in that gap because we jumped too far. So did I. Jump. All right. Phew. Hey, for any of you out there who don't know, The Day the Earth Blew Up, the Looney Tunes movie is now on DVD and Blu-ray. Mind your manners. Oh, we have enough for a super. Let's see what Buttercup does. Oh. Phew. Ha! That took care of them. Okay, let's read this once because we can actually, press A. Breaking out the big guns. Sweet.
Hi.
Does anyone know how to use this thing? Yeah. You just point it and shoot at anything in your way.
Hi.
I think I'm going to need to know more than that.
Lock and load. It looks like you can aim and use the turret to destroy any obstacles in your way. This is going to be a blast. Literally.
Okay. Use the L stick for movement. Press button below to shoot. Oh yeah, we're playing with a classic controller. I gotta avoid that. I will say, I do like how this game does offer a little bit of variety. Yeah, I gotta agree with you there, Twilight. going on with Snoopy? Oh, he just likes firing for no reason. Right? I think Snoopy is having a little too much fun. Alright, here's our stop. Oh boy.
Okay.
I prefer not to ride through the cave again.
You were all too easy.
Then Chowder and Buttercup.
Alright. Pretty sure this is the part where we face Vilgax. Yup, this is it.
Hey,
I am Vilgax. It's Kevin Levin, and he looks like he fell from the ugly alien tree and hit every ugly alien branch on the way down. Landed in an ugly puddle and then sat in it for a while.
Oh, so we're not fighting Vilgax? We're fighting Ben's best friend, Kevin.
I hope someone on Primus has paid up their property insurance. I know he's hard to look at, so try to get some gritty back into it.
Sorry we gotta do this to you, Kevin. Oh no!
I should have picked a blind.
It's a good thing we don't have lives. Otherwise, I doubt we'd ever get through this. Think it's so strange how we're basically fighting Kevin as Chowder? Yeah, but that's what this game's all about. Crazy character combinations. Okay, we gotta get under Gwen's shield. Okay. Oh boy. Come on, Doc! Okay, if we can trap his arm one more time, I think that should do it. I hope so. finish it off in time, I think. So now we gotta do that again. Could be worse. Could have to start all the way over from the beginning. I suppose you're right, Bugs. Oh! Ugh. Well, that stunk. Okay, no more messing around. We gotta get him. All right.
Woo!
Yo.
Ben, what happened? Relax, you're on Primus. Vilgax did something to you to turn you against us.
Yo.
What, old Green Jeans did this to me? I can't remember. Hey, I'm Chowder.
Dude.
Whoa, this planet is that... What planet is that thing from? Sorry. Chowder is a friend from another dimension.
Dude.
Huh, hello, purple dude. Wait, what's happening? Kevin!
Here it comes again. Wonder where this train is headed to now. Wait, what's this thing? Dexter! It's Dexter! He's done it! Maybe.
Oh, thank goodness!
What is this thing? Ooh, good idea, Dexter. Get Flapjack inside your capsule before something terrible happens. Something like being attacked by pirates.
Uh-oh, it's Sticky Beard.
Hey, real nice job at not losing.
Alright, okay, I think this is where we're going to call the part. Alright, everyone, this concludes part 1 of Cartoon Network Punch Time Explosion XL. Thank you all for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in part 2. And happy 4th of July!